Alright, so next is internal validity. We will try to understand what internal validity is. Internal validity occurs when it can be concluded that there is a causal relationship between the variables being studied. Okay, so here there is no conclusion or there is no generalization required with the external world. Okay, next is the content validity. When we want to find out if the entire content of the behavior construct area is represented in the test, we compare the test task with the content of the behavior. Okay, for example, now we will consider one of the example here. It is only that the questionnaire, whatever you have developed, content validity means what? Whatever the questionnaire you have developed, you have to see that the contents of the questionnaire has met all the requirements. Okay, it should be helpful in achieving the objectives. Okay, it should be developed in such a manner that all the variables are included in those questionnaires. Okay, to the maximum extent, so that that requirement has to be met by the researcher. Okay, so for example, if you want to test knowledge on American geography, it is not fair to have most questions limited to the geography of New England. See, here the contents of the questionnaire is being checked. Okay, so the contents of the questionnaire or the questions should be framed in such a manner that the objectives are being met. All right, so here in this particular example, what they are trying to do is they are trying to test whether the America's geography is properly understood or not. So what they have done is um, so you cannot limit. Here what is being done is the objective is to test the geography, the skill of a student regarding to the geography. So what is being done is in that case you cannot limit, or the researcher cannot limit the questions only related to America. Alright, why? Because when it comes to geography subject, all the nations should be included, correct? So America as well as England. So that is what is the meaning here. So when you are developing a questionnaire, or when a researcher is developing a questionnaire, care should be taken that the content should be very much relevant, and it has to be framed in such a manner that it covers almost all the areas of the subject matter. Okay.